Hi and welcome to Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. I am sharing the brand new die set called Oh Holy Night. This die set has 14 dies in total. This is what it looks like when you receive it in your package. You can either separate all the dies by using some wire cutters, or you can twist and bend them apart. I went ahead and cut all of my pieces apart and die cut them in different color cardstock so I can glue them together and show you how all of those dies look. Here we have our classic nativity scene with Mary on the left, Joseph on the right, and the infant child in the middle with a star and a sentiment, "O Holy Night." In this card sample, I've paired this new die set with the stained glass window die to create a stained glass window nativity scene. You can use the links down below to check out this brand new die set as well as all of the rest of the new products released today. Make sure you also subscribe to Whimsy Stamps on our social media. Thanks for watching and have fun shopping.